Good morning, ZCars fans. We're here now at Donington for round 5 of the ZCars racing. Here you can see behind me, we've got the fan club of zracer.org. They've all come to support us this weekend, which is absolutely great. Now, the big question that you're probably all asking is, after Brands Hatch, the two Z3s crashing, are they going to be here today? Word has it, both drivers, Julian Jeffrey and Callum Tuckett, are here, but what are they driving? Should we go and have a look? Okay, so we've had a good look round the paddock here, and I'm really sorry to say that we do not have Julian or Callum Z3 here.
Well, I've got this car today. This is actually one of Julian's cars. It's one of the cars that they hire out, but he's lent it to me because he broke my other one.
Hi Julian, how you doing?
Good, thanks, yeah.
We had a bit of an incident, didn't we, at Brands Hatch last round. Can you just give me a quick rundown of what happened and where you are with the Z3?
So my Z3 is perfectly okay, able to race, but today we thought we wanted to actually get a 2.2 out to see if we could race with Mark.
I'm here with Ed Giddens. Ed, qualified first as usual. Okay, it's going to be really wet today. Just want you to talk to me about the changes that you're going to make, perhaps your driving style, because it is looking pretty wet out there today.
Soften it up a little bit on the shocks, on the rear end. Nothing too major, just try and go out. We've got another set of tyres if we need them, but I felt comfortable with them ones. It's obviously slippy on the back end, it's always going to be.
Is there any corners out there that you're a little bit worried about when it's wet like this?
Probably say Craners is a bit of a leery one, because you obviously try and push it as fast as you can through there. You sort of fourth gear, half flat, whereas in the dry it's full flat through there.
I'm here with Steve Wood, the Z4 3 litre. Wow, Steve, that was an awesome race out there today. You and Mark in the Z4 2.2 and having a right little battle. Do you want to tell me a little bit more about it?
Really good. The wet weather is a balancer for the 2.2s and the 3 litre. Fortunately, I kept Mark behind me, but he did keep me very honest. He did do a bit of a Ricardo on me at the chicane, let him past, but I thought I could get him following corner, which I did. So really good. Looking forward to more. He's ahead!
Finally, we've managed to leave and Ed Giddens up the top step of the podium.
Yeah, we had a great race. Ed was actually sort of gaining on me most of the race, but I kept consistent and last lap I was putting a bit of pressure on Ed, and it happened, yeah.
You've got to be in the right place at the right time and apply that pressure.
Always, always. That's what we do. That's what we do at Comprising Racing, and that's what happened.
He found a chink in his armour.
Yeah. No, he'll be back at us next weekend. Yeah.
It'll be a wide Z car next time.
A really wide one, yeah.
Well done on the win.
Thank you.